Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, June 17th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full down analysis. So, on the pound dollar monthly, definitely nothing has changed for me. I still think this is either going to go up and make a running flat wave C, which would make a lower high, probably turn it to 138 or to 123, or possibly it's going to go up and make an expanding flat wave C, which I think would likely go up to the 178 or the 161.8 Fibonacci extension, making a higher high. Either scenario, I don't think it's that important to know the difference as of yet. Heading down to the weekly time frame, I'm still looking at this as an uptrend like a wave 1. I still think this is a WXY wave 2, and I still think this weekly time frame is going to continue to make higher highs, higher lows, all part of a wave 3 of an expanding or running flat. Heading down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, this little box right here is the break of structure that I'm either waiting to see to confirm a move down or waiting to see if it rejects that break of structure, confirming that I need to continue to look for longs. For me, the trend is definitely still up. I mean, as far as all the dollar pairs go, the pound dollar is actually one of the ones where I could say this is definitely looks like 5 waves up. It definitely could be a wave 1. It definitely could be already in a wave 2 and then go up for a wave 3. So I would not be surprised at all if it did make a big ABC of 2, maybe go down to one of these fibs before it did go up. But like I said, I'm watching this structure. If it rejects this structure, makes it impulsive and golfing move to the upside, I'll definitely go long. If it breaks this structure, then I would actually stop looking for longs on shorter time frames and start looking for shorts, even though I think it's probably just a wave 2, which is a crescent to the wave 1 uptrend. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, it really hasn't been able to break and hold below structure very well for me yet. So like I said, I'm either waiting for it to reject structure, make a nice impulsive engulfing move up with a break. If it does that, I definitely would go long. To me, it still looks like a crescent in my eyes. It still looks like impulsive down. I still think this looks like big 1, 2, 3 up, like a wave B, higher high wave B. Looks like a downtrend for a wave C. If we get impulsive up, if we get a break of structure, I definitely will go long for the end of a crescent, probably end of a wave C and continuation of the uptrend. If it doesn't break structure up, then if you trade below the 1 hour time frame, you definitely should look for shorts. It could easily go down to any one of these fib levels before it actually does turn back up. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I was just explaining, if it goes up, if it breaks structure, which is a big if, I would stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs for the continuation of the uptrend, possibly the end of a wave C. If it does not break structure, then I would continue to do nothing except for look for shorts on the 1 hour time frame and under. If you do not see that break of structure, then continue to look for shorts at the end of three-way pullbacks for the continuation of the downtrend until you actually do see a break of structure, preferably on like the 4 hour time frame and up. So the trend is your friend. The trend is definitely down. If it goes up and breaks structure, then the trend will turn back up and you'll stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs. If it doesn't, then continue to look for shorts at the end of three-way pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to take a look at my website if you'd like to get access to my daily Zoom meetings and my swing trade setups. As always, thank you and happy trading.